Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Welcome back to another video. And this morning, I'll be making 4 powerful antibiotic recipe for myself. I'll be using 12 cloves of garlic and onion, my olive oil and my honey, right? But I go ahead and clean up the garlic and wash it, also the onion, right? This remedy is good, especially in the winter season also, and moreover right through the year. This is good. This build your immune system, this fight bacteria in the gut, this take out the bad mucus, out of the lungs and so forth, and keep your body healthy and fight against flu, bacteria and those things, right? So what I do, I crush the garlic and let it stay there for 10-15 minutes. Let the medicine benefit come up out of the garlic. Likewise the onion also, I slice it already and slice it, bust it, so the medicine will come up. Then now I will put it in this bottle and let it stay for at least 7 hours or 8 hours into a dark shady place, right? You can put it in your cupboard or whatsoever. I can put it into a container like this that have a cover, but I'm going to use the bottle. After now, 3 teaspoonfuls before breakfast or after your breakfast. 3 teaspoonfuls when you're going to your bed. Yes, do it for 7 days straight, and after I drink it like 3 times per week, right? Yeah man, I tell you, this take out all the bad mucus, cleanse your lungs, fight bacteria. Yeah man, this build your immune system. This is powerful, man. I can't tell about myself, man. Trust me man. We use this regularly and trust me. Yes, my people, man. So like how this gone past 15 minutes, no problem. I go show you how me do it. Alright, my people. I go ahead and give me garlic. Yeah man, 12 cloves. If you want, you can use more, It's optional, alright? Yeah man, you can put it into a dish, cover dish. Yeah. So cut up onion. Yeah man. Wash and everything, and I slice it. I bust it in 4 so it can make the medicine come up. Alright? Yeah man, I'm gonna do a thing like this. Yeah. So the little knife here in the background, the heater vent. Yeah man, it a sending some heat in the house, so it a make that knife in the background. Alright? And you know, basically I don't need no more onion. I'm gonna use this amount. I'm gonna just do a thing like this. Yeah man. So I'm gonna just subscribe, share, like and comment, man. Trust me, man. This is how I drink right during the year, man, and trust me. If you have a sinus and your sinus draining your stomach and you want to get out the cold out of your stomach or the mucus, yeah man. Yeah, so the cold is the mucus, you know. And you want to flush it out of your system. Yeah man, trust me people, man. This were miracles and wonders, man. Yeah man, this amount is good enough. Let me take off this. Right? Back to clean too, you know. Everything clean. So, you know, everything I deal with, I wash it. Alright, so see it here. Alright. Go ahead and add in the honey. This amount is good enough. Yeah. Natural honey, see it there? Natural honey. Yeah man. Olive oil also. Yes man. Right. So add in your olive oil now. Yeah. See it here actually. Yeah man. It have a nice liquid. So she like how the honey, when you throw the honey thick. No. The garlic medicine and the onion medicine going to make the honey loosen up more freer. Yes. Yeah man, so you don't know me people. This is my immune booster. This flush the cold out of my system. This help me naturally. Trust me man. Oh gosh man. Trust me people man. This work miracles in the body man. Trust me. So my people, I know just subscribe, share, like, comment, don't know anything go man. This, oh God man, I can't tell about myself when I drink this. Yes man. So my people, I just big up on myself, bless up on myself. I don't know, with God everything is possible. Yeah man, garlic, onion, olive oil, honey, powerful immune booster. This flush the cold out of your system. Take out a bad mucus or a bad cold when in your belly. Yeah man, this, yes man. Don't know you have sinus and it a drain. Yeah man. Me drink this and trust me. This were miracles man. Miracles. Me just, yeah man, they can put it into a smaller container if you want. But me just use the bottle. You don't know a thing go man. Powerful home made remedy man. This, oh gosh man. Yeah man, so I think set up man. Alright my people, see it now. Fully active. Onion, garlic, honey, olive oil. Yeah man, see it here. Fully active now. So you ready for drink, alright? Yeah man, see it here. Yeah man. Right, so now just subscribe and share up the video. Alright? Bless up on yourself. Peace. I'm out.